Your kitchen is about to get a serious upgrade. These must-have Amazon gadgets are designed to make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. From innovative food prep tools to space-saving storage solutions, we've got some incredible finds you don't want to miss. Link to all the products is in the description, so stick around till the end, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed for more amazing Amazon product recommendations. Let's get started. Anti-fatigue kitchen mat. If you spend long hours in the kitchen, you know how tiring it can be on your feet. This cushioned anti-fatigue mat provides soft support, reducing stress on your legs and lower back. It's designed with a non-slip surface to keep you steady, even in high traffic areas. Plus, it's waterproof and super easy to clean, just a quick wipe, and it's as good as new. Want to make cooking more comfortable? Grab yours now from the link below. No drip honey dispenser. Say goodbye to sticky messes. This glass honey dispenser features a smart no-drip design, so you get precise pours every time. Whether you're drizzling honey over pancakes or adding sweetness to tea, this gadget makes it effortless. The sturdy glass design ensures durability, and it even comes with a stand for easy storage. Love hassle-free cooking? Click the link and add this to your kitchen now. Space-saving kitchens. Tired of cluttered drawers? This 6-piece stackable gadget set is a game changer. It includes all the essentials like a whisk, grater, and measuring spoons, but in a compact, space-saving design that fits perfectly in small kitchens. Made from durable, BPA-free materials, this set is built to last. Say goodbye to messy kitchen drawers. Get yours today from the link below. Plate gripper. Handling hot dishes just got safer. This plate gripper lets you lift steaming plates, bowls, and pans without burning your fingers. Perfect for microwave, oven, and air fryer use, it gives you a firm, slip-free grip every time. No more struggling with oven mitts or waiting for dishes to cool. Make cooking easier. Grab this must-have gadget now. Mini rice cooker. Cooking rice has never been easier. This compact rice cooker makes up to 3 cups of perfectly fluffy rice at the push of a button. It has a keep warm function to ensure your rice stays hot and fresh for hours. You can even cook quinoa, oatmeal, or steamed veggies in it, making it a versatile kitchen companion. Upgrade your meal prep. Get this mini rice cooker today. Frozen fruit maker love ice cream but want a healthier option? This frozen fruit soft serve maker transforms bananas, mangoes, and berries into a creamy dairy-free dessert in seconds. No added sugar, no preservatives, just pure natural goodness. Easy to clean and fun to use, this gadget is a must-have for ice cream lovers. Get yours today and enjoy guilt-free treats anytime. Glass food storage containers. Tired of flimsy plastic containers? Upgrade to these airtight glass food storage containers that keep your food fresh longer. Perfect for meal prepping, they're microwave safe, freezer friendly, and super durable. Plus, they come with leak-proof lids, so you never have to worry about spills. Ready to upgrade your kitchen storage? Click the link and grab yours now. 5-tier coffee bar station. Turn your kitchen into a coffee lover's paradise. This 5-tier coffee bar station has built-in storage for mugs, coffee pods, syrups, and accessories, keeping everything neatly organized. Whether you love espresso, cappuccino, or French press coffee, this station makes mornings effortless. Transform your coffee setup. Get yours now. Teak dish rack. Say goodbye to bulky drying racks. This foldable teak dish rack not only saves space, but also adds an elegant touch to your kitchen. Made from premium teak wood, it's water resistant and durable. It folds flat when not in use, making it perfect for small kitchens. Keep your kitchen organized. Get yours today. Ice cream maker. Homemade ice cream in minutes? Yes, please. This compact, rechargeable ice cream maker lets you create delicious flavors with your favorite ingredients. No preservatives, no artificial additives. It's perfect for kids, parties, or late-night cravings. Make your own frozen treats at home. Click the link below. Glass teapot brew tea like a pro with this 900 milliliter glass teapot featuring a removable infuser. Whether you love loose leaf tea, herbal blends, or fruit infused drinks, this teapot delivers the perfect brew. It's heat resistant, dishwasher safe, and stylish enough to serve guests. Enhance your tea experience. Grab yours today. Mini ice cream maker. Want a personal sized frozen treat? This single serve ice cream maker is perfect for making small batches of creamy homemade ice cream in minutes. Just mix, freeze, and enjoy. It's compact, easy to use, and great for portion control. Craving a quick dessert? Click the link to get yours now. Automatic trash can touchless trash disposal is here. This motion sensor trash can opens with just a wave of your hand, keeping your kitchen clean and germ-free. No need to touch dirty lids. With its sleek design and odor control feature, it's a must-have for any modern kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen hygiene. Grab this automatic trash can today. Meat tenderizer. Transform tough cuts of meat into juicy, flavorful perfection with this multi-sided meat tenderizer. It softens steak, chicken, ensuring faster, more even cooking. A must-have for grill lovers and home chefs alike. Get yours today and take your cooking to the next level. And that's a wrap on 14 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest kitchen innovations. Check out the links in the description to grab these awesome kitchen gadgets today.